Hey everybody, Joe Robinson here at Spencer's Mattress Factory here in Ventura, California. Today we want to talk about custom beds. When you go to a retail store, almost anywhere in the country, you're limited to the bed selection in that store. But here at the factory in Ventura, we can make anything. And I think Spencer wants to share something about this giant bed behind me.
Yeah, we just got done doing this one, Joe, and this is, let me measure it. This I think is 108 inches. 108 inches. Yeah, 108 by 108 inches.
108 by 108.
Yeah. This is the biggest mattress we've ever made. This is,
wow.
Matter of fact, I don't know how we're going to deliver this into the home, but they do have 9-foot doors. So,
Who has 9-foot doors and and room for a massive bed?
I'll just give you a little hint. It's a celebrity, a well-known celebrity that's talented like yourself. So.
Spencer keeps his secrets, so I don't think he's going to tell us who it is.
Yeah, it would be right. But anyhow, so this is a very special bed for a very special person.
And what's this over here that you've got?
Yeah, we do, so this, right now the biggest thing going on is this van conversion business where you take a Sprinter van and you convert it into a little micro traveling, stayover van. And so we're doing a custom bed for that right now. It's done in 3 pieces, and we're doing a natural version of one. They wanted it all natural. This is natural latex. We cut the corners and we hand shape everything. So
cool. And what's that guy back there?
This one over here is called our HardassBed.com, and the site's not up yet. But we've had such a amount of people coming into our showrooms asking for the firmest bed, like the ground. So we decided to design one, build it, and here it is. It's 2-sided. You can flip it. You can sleep on both sides.
All right, and you guys have made dog beds and all sorts of different
over the years,
stuff, right?
We've done everything, but this is something that I think there's going to be a huge following and a need for.
So if somebody wants a custom bed, what should they do? Come
visit us. Come either that, or you can call. And the phone number at our company store, which is across the street, is going to be 805-658-2866. You can ask for myself, Joe. You can ask for Jim. Either one of us are there. It's all family and friends. So anything you need, just call, and we'll answer questions for you.
And just to show you, Franklin's making a bed over here as we're doing this video.
Yeah, we have 1 hour to make this bed for a client that wants it delivered tomorrow.
Oh yeah, what was the turnaround on this massive bed?
This took Franklin 2 days to build. I mean, he shared between other beds.
And if someone were to try to custom order that elsewhere, how long do you think the lead time would be?
There was one quote out there, our client, it was for 10 weeks.
Wow.
So, and we told him we'd get it done within a week, and we did it in 2 days for him. So.
Wow, so I just want to show everybody, there's a lot of supply issues out there, but as you can see, this factory is stocked, ready to service your sleep needs. So if you need a custom bed or one of the beds that Spencer usually makes, we are able to make it for you, and we're able to have a quick turnaround.
Sure, no, I'm a big believer in that. The more you stock, I think the more sales you're going to do. It's pretty simple.
Great. So can you give us that number one more time that people can call?
805-658-2866.
All right, great. Thanks a lot, Spencer.
You're welcome. Thanks, Joe.